Welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to talk about why meal planning isn't just another health trend, it's a total lifestyle upgrade. Once you understand how powerful it is, you'll never look at food the same way again. Most people think meal planning is about eating salads, counting calories, or spending Sundays cooking for hours. But that's not what this is about. Meal planning is freedom. It's the freedom to eat better, save time, and take control of one of the most important parts of your life, what goes into your body. Let's start with the biggest reason meal planning changes everything: clarity. When you plan your meals, you remove the daily question of, what's for dinner? That single decision used to steal time and mental energy every day. But now, you know exactly what's coming. Your meals are mapped out, your ingredients are ready, and you can focus on enjoying the process. You see, decision fatigue is real. We make hundreds of small choices every day, and by evening, most people are too tired to make a healthy one. That's when takeout or snacks win. Meal planning eliminates that fatigue. You make all your decisions once, calmly and strategically, instead of in the heat of hunger or stress. Next, meal planning saves time. Most people underestimate how much time they lose deciding, shopping, and cooking without a plan. A simple weekly plan cuts that time dramatically. You shop once, cook efficiently, and spend your week living, not guessing what to eat. It's not about cooking more, it's about cooking smarter. Batch prep, reusable ingredients, and pre-planned portions let you eat well with less effort. Imagine opening your fridge and seeing neatly prepared meals or ingredients waiting, ready to mix, heat, and serve. That's not restriction, that's peace of mind. Meal planning also saves money. When you know what you're cooking, you buy only what you need. You stop overbuying ingredients that go bad before you use them. You reduce food waste, and you avoid those expensive last-minute food orders. Most people don't realize how much they overspend on food simply because they don't plan. Meal planning gives you control over your grocery budget while still eating better than ever. But here's where meal planning makes the biggest impact: your health. When you plan your meals, you're not reacting to cravings or convenience. You're being intentional. You're designing your nutrition around what your body actually needs. You'll eat more balanced meals, get enough protein, fiber, and nutrients, and stay full longer. Over time, that consistency is what leads to lasting change, not crash diets or willpower. And because you're eating more mindfully, your energy stabilizes. You think more clearly, you feel more in control. Meal planning also gives you emotional freedom. Think about how much mental energy we spend on food. Worrying about what to eat, feeling guilty for what we ate, or stressing about staying healthy. A good plan removes the guilt and confusion. You know what fits your goals. You know what portion sizes work for you. You know when to treat yourself without derailing progress. That clarity creates confidence. And that confidence spills into every part of your life. Finally, meal planning changes your relationship with food itself. When you stop reacting to food and start designing your diet intentionally, you build awareness. You begin to notice what makes you feel good, what fuels your body, what keeps you focused, and what helps you thrive. And that's the ultimate goal. Not to follow someone else's plan, but to create a system that's yours. So let's recap. Meal planning changes everything because it: 1. Reduces decision fatigue. 2. Saves time and money. 3. Improves nutrition and health. 4. Builds consistency and confidence. 5. Creates true freedom with food. It's not a diet. It's a strategy. It's a lifestyle that works with you, not against you. And once you experience it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. In the next lecture, we'll dive deeper into the core nutrition principles that make meal planning truly effective, understanding macronutrients, micronutrients, and how balance really works. You're already on the right path. Now let's build the foundation that will help your meal plans work for life.